how to build stairs in Sons of the Forest. So you must use the custom building mode. You're essentially building a ramp first, then converting it into steps. So first, let's get some trees right here. Then stick two vertical logs on the ground just like this. Another one. Then take a full log, then aim it from the top of your vertical log down to the ground right here. So you will see that vertical arrow just like that, and also to the other one. Next thing that you want to do is drop this. Let's find another log. Equip your axe, then chop the wood in half right here. You will see this red outline so that you can chop it vertically to create the planks right there. Now, before you place the plank, you just simply need to right click on your mouse to change the angle. Since if you use the default one, it will look like that, which is slanted. So what you want to do is, of course, right click first, and it will give this stair look just like that. Now what you want to do is, of course, fill in everything up to the very top. And I'll just add the last one right here at the very bottom. And as you can see, you now have built your stairs. And that is how you basically build stairs in Sons of the Forest.